Hello there. Trying to choose between Docmost and Notion for your team or personal projects? Let's break them down, compare their strengths, and find out which one's right for you. Stick around. First up, we have Docmost. It's an open source, self-hosted wiki and documentation platform. It's designed for teams who want control over their data. Think real-time collaboration, rich text editing, and cool features like built-in diagramming with tools like Draw.io and Excel. Best part? It's free if you host it yourself, and it works offline. Perfect for privacy-focused folks. Now we have Notion. This one's a cloud-based, all-in-one workspace loved for its flexibility. You get note-taking, databases, Kanban boards, calendars, and endless templates from everything from project management to personal journaling. Notion's mobile apps also make it super accessible, but it's subscription-based with a free plan that's generous for solo users or small teams. So, how do they stack up? Docmost shines for self-hosted, privacy-first teams who need a focused wiki or a knowledge base. Think tech startups or small businesses managing internal docs. It's lighter and simpler but lacks databases or mobile apps. Notion's your go-to for versatility, great for creators, students, or anyone juggling multiple workflows. But it's cloud-only and can feel overwhelming with options. If you want control and simplicity, pick Docmost. Need flexibility and polish? Notion's your vibe. That's it, guys. Check out our comparison chart below to seal the deal and let us know which one's your pick. Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See ya.